It's Kelvin here once again. Today in this video, I'm just going to show you guys hammer-on and pull-off techniques. So hammer-on and pull-off technique is one of the most important technique, right? On the bass guitar, either you're a bass guitarist, a lead guitarist, a violinist, even if you play the double bass, as far as you play any wooden instrument, right? It's one of the techniques that you can't actually do without. It's one of the simplest, but it's one of the techniques you can't do without. Right, it's very important and it's something I feel you should actually look on, right? So now what is hammer-on? Hammer-on is this. Let me use an instance. So you can just it's hammer-on, right? What is pull-off? Pull-off is the opposite. So you can actually practice using each of the fingers, like, right? So your index, your middle, your index, your ring, your index, your pinky, so right, then the pull off you can just the pull off is backwards, so you can just start with your pinky, right, holding your index, so then anyone can come up here. So anyone, right? So hammer on, pull off, hammer on, pull off, right? So now the exercises are something you can actually use to practice hammer and pull off techniques. So let's try something like something like simply, right? It's simple. So right, it's just going again, right? Right, so there's idea, so then alright, so I'm using a so I'm that's what I'm playing here. So actually use this to practice. And play. Very well, right? So you can actually use something like this, or you can create a line, right? So now let's try using the pull off backward. So we can start so that, right? You see how it's sounding, right? Again. Again. So you're just gonna actually take it very slow. It's gonna be a little bit strenuous, but just take it slow. Start on a slower tempo, then you get your desired tempo. So it's actually gonna make your play actually spicy if you actually learn it very well, right? This is a pull off now, right? So you can actually use this as an exercise. So let's try the hammer on. Sorry. Again. Again. Right, so you can come here. So now what I want you also to learn is try to make sure you can just alternate the fingers. So you can actually use this to practice, right? To go. Come up again. Right, so the idea is for you to use then the last finger. Right? The idea is just for you to just gain that strength, right? Practicing. Then you can also do that. Just imagine how I'm going to go back. So you can just yes. Then you can just do that. You see? You can just practice like that, right? So let me go back to that exercise we did. Right? You see, right? Alright, you can just I'm using the hammer-on also here, using my, what they call it, my ring finger. So if you actually practice it for long, you actually learn how to use any of the finger. Anyone you want to use for hammer-on, it will be more easier for you. So let's try the second one now. Again. Again. Right. Right. There's the idea, so going back. Sorry. So just try the exercises. You see, right? Hammer-on. Pull off. Hammer-on. Pull off. Right? Anyone, just use that. I'm actually feeling it also, right? But if you do that particularly for a particular period of time, long time actually, you actually get used to it. So yes, just try it out, work on it, practice. Take our time and just practice it here. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you.